Hi. I am Rohan.
And I am Sumati. Today, we will introduce you to Planisphere.
Let us start from downloading a template.
Let us see how to make a planisphere. First, search how to make planisphere on Google. You will find several websites over there. Even you can refer YouTube video for the same. I am clicking on one of the websites here. Here are some download links and also instructions are given below. If you have read the instructions, then simply download the components. You can also download them in various formats. I'm downloading complete kit with instructions. I'm selecting latitude and the language. Simply click on PDF. Here is the PDF and this is the star wheel. This is the outer of the planisphere. And these are the grid lines. Simply click on print. I'm ready with printed sheets. Let's make planisphere now. Read the instructions given on the sheet. Cut out the star wheel. One suggestion, prefer to print the pages on thin cardboard. If it's not done, cut the circle of same size as star wheel on cardboard. Paste the star wheel on the cardboard. Use of cardboard will make handling planisphere easy. Cut the body of the planisphere. You can see the latitude of my place is written over there, so select that properly while downloading. Even you can cut out the grid lines. Try to print the grid lines on transparent sheet. After cutting the body of planisphere, cut out the shaded gray area of the planisphere's body. Fold the body along the dotted line. Now take the star wheel. Star wheel has small circle at its center and matching circle is on the planisphere's body. Make a small hole in each. Slot the pin in the middle. Use split pin fastener. And this is how your planisphere will look.
I'm going to show you how planisphere works. So here I have my planisphere. Well, I have assembled it, but when we deassemble it, we can get this. This ellipse is called as the viewing window, from which we can see all the constellations in this circle. And this is called as the star wheel. Okay, so this circle is called as a star wheel as we rotate it. After you have this, you just have to pay attention to the constellation into this viewing window. Okay, yeah, now what you have to do is, you may also get the using directions over here, but audio visual is always better and entertaining. So firstly, select the time or select the date and the month in which you want to view the sky or any particular constellation. You may also select the constellation, or you may just go and gaze towards the sky. Okay, so now it's September, so I will look out for September. So here is September and today's date is 8, let us say. Okay, so I will select the date 8, and let us say I will view the sky at night, let us say at 8 p.m. So what I'll do is, I'll select the date 8 from this. Maybe you will, yeah, you can now view it. So 8, so see this is 10, 9 and 8. So just 2 lines, backwards, 10, and then switch it to 8 p.m. So now I'm rotating it. Okay, this is September, this is 8 p.m. and now I just have to select date 8. So just backward to, yeah, and that's just it. So here is, just a minute, yeah, now I guess you can see it, and then you can see 9 and then 8. Okay, so 8 p.m. at date 8. Now let us see how to view the constellation. Now this is a star, this is a planisphere for the northern hemisphere. Okay, if you are in the southern hemisphere, you may make the planisphere for that too. As you can see, as you know, that sky is basically, you know, seems to be divided into two hemispheres, northern and southern. So this is northern hemisphere and India falls into northern hemisphere, so it is very easy. Okay, now let us say I am viewing in east direction because that's what visible clearly from my house. So if I'm viewing towards east side, so eastern horizon will be my horizon. So I will put this eastern horizon towards my side. So here I'm standing. So this is how I will view it. Okay, and now today at 8 p.m. because today's date is 8. So today at 8 p.m. I will view all these constellations. Okay, so let us say I want to see Cassiopeia. So Cassiopeia is over here. Okay, when I'm viewing in the eastern direction, and let us say I want to see Hercules, so it's here. And even if I want to find a star, so you cannot find these dotted structures, okay, because this represents the stars which are not so bright. Okay, and the bright stars which you can view clearly in the sky are represented by this big star. Okay, the bigger the size in this planisphere, the brighter the star is. Okay, yeah, now let us say I want to find Orion constellation. So I want to see when I can view it. Okay, now it is I cannot view it at night because I cannot see anywhere. Okay, so let us test it. Okay, let us select 9 date. So tomorrow I will start from 6:54. So this AM times. Okay, so let us see. Now I will get to the date of 9th September. Okay, so I'll just set it and I'll be back. Yes, so here I have selected 5 AM over here, and this is the 9 date. Okay, means tomorrow's date, and I'm viewing the sky just after 5 AM. Okay, so approximately 5 AM and some minutes after that. Okay, so let us see, can I see the Orion constellation in my sky? Okay, so eastern direction is the most visible part, so I will keep eastern horizon towards me, and let us search for Orion constellation. So here I can view Orion constellation. Okay, so here is the Orion constellation. So I can see Orion constellation clearly in my sky. So this is how you can use the planisphere and can select or can navigate through the sky and can see whichever constellation you have to see or whichever constellation you have to research to. Okay, so yeah, thank you.